Hi everyone and welcome. I am Kirill and today I'm going to guide you through one of the most exciting updates in Stripo. I am not just going to show you another feature, I will introduce you to something that completely shifts how interactive your emails can be. Widgets, the newest addition to the platform. If you are a marketer, designer or email specialist, you are in the right place. Because I'm about to show you how Stripo can help you take your email from static to highly interactive without the hassle and without writing a single line of code. Also, meet my colleague Anna. She will help with the chat and answer a question. So, you are welcome to ask anything during the webinar. And before we begin, I would like to say a few words about Stripo platform. It is an email design platform that helps you build emails quickly and without coding. We constantly improve our platform based on user feedback. So if you have any suggestion, feel free to email us. I will share our contact details in the chat later. So stay with me, and by the end of the webinar, I promise you will walk away knowing exactly how to add interactive, eye-catching widgets to your own emails. Let's get started. So what exactly are widgets in Stripo? In short, there are interactive elements you can drop right into your email template, things your subscribers can actually play with, tap, and respond to instead of just reading. And the magic behind them is AMP technology, which enables real-time interactive in emails. Now, one more important thing to know up front, AMP isn't supported everywhere just yet. It works in clients like Gmail, Yahoo, and Mail.ru, while others like Apple Mail and Outlook will simply show a regular HTML fallback. But I also want to clarify that the Stripe platform has developed fallbacks, so the clients using service not on the AMP supported list will still see widgets and interact with them. So your subscribers always see something polished, no matter which inbox they are using. I will send you a link to the official Google AMP website in the chat, where you can see in more details which service and which clients you can use to send AMP mailings. So here is why I'm so excited about this feature. Editing interactive content to your template is one of the most powerful ways to boost loyalty. When people can interact with your email, they spend more time with it, and they are far more likely to remember your message and act on it. But honestly, my favorite part is how you build this widget. You create them entirely from start to finish just by chatting with the AI assistant. You describe what you want to in plain command, and the assistant builds it for you. No technical setup, no manual coding, nothing. Not only that, but you can see AI widgets in any of our emails. So let's check out the list of available widgets. So first of all, you should enter to our platform, create new message. I will create it from my templates. I will go to the pre-built and pick, for example, this one. And here in the structure and models tab, you can see the widgets. So here you can see already a solid collection of widgets ready for you in Stripo. We currently have 12 widgets, and I will tell you about a few of them, starting with a scratcher, then poll, and then a gamification picture quiz. So let's start with the scratcher. I will drop it in the bottom of our email. So those scratch card in real life, yeah, the ones where you rub off a word and find a price under it. The widget does the same thing, but inside your email. There is a top where that covers the content. Your subscriber just scratch it away right in the inbox and see what you hide from them. And you can hide everything. Yeah. But most of time, marketers use it for discounts, promo codes, or special offers. It adds a little surprise, and people want to scratch and see what they got. And the small action makes your offer feel more fun than just showing it right away. Let me show you how it looks and how easily you can make one. Yeah, so if you go to the preview, drop down to the bottom of our email here, just highlight our scratcher. You can delete the cover, or if we refresh our scratcher and click scratch, it will scratch by itself. To access the settings of this widget, simply click on it. And a chat with the AI assistant will open. Here you can see the prepared command here, or you can enter your own request and AI will do it for you. For example, I want the text, this text, and color of CTA to be different. Let's specify this in the request. So I'll write change CTA text to delete cover and CTA color to green. So as you can see, it works perfectly. Let's also change the text under the cover or something else and ask for AI help with it. So next command will be change the text under the cover to this one. And let's check our final design here. So as you can see, it works perfectly correctly, and you can change the style of this text with the same command via AI assistant. So let's move to the next, the poll widget. A poll let you ask your subscribers a question right inside the email, and they can answer it without leaving the inbox. They just tap the option they like, and that's it. No clicking through to the website, no extra steps. You can ask anything you want. For example, here you can see that we ask people which content format they prefer in our newsletter: short highlights, detailed guides, or case studies. And right below, we ask how often they want to hear from us emails and receive the feedback. Yeah, so once a week, twice a month, or only for big announcements. It's a really simple way to learn what your audience actually wants. People love sharing their opinions, and because it takes just one tap, many more will respond. So you get useful feedback and your subscribers feel like you really listen to them. It is also important to know that for the feedback collection, you should add your storage, which is absolutely free, and you can create it on your platform. So you should go to your main page in your account and go to the data and data storage. Here you just need to create your new data storage. As you can see, I have already 2 of them, and here you will be able to download your feedback. And here, clicking on your block, you should add your storage here. So I will connect the test one here. So let's continue and check how we can change it via an AI assistant. So my first request will be change case studies, yeah, to industry news and CTA text to complete. So as you can see, no problems, and it works really fast. And let's check the last one, the puzzle. The puzzle quiz is gamified interactive element where users assemble a visual puzzle directly inside an email. Each player needs to correctly arrange the pieces to complete the image. Once the puzzle is solved, the full picture is displayed along with the height, surprise, or reward for the user. This format turns passive reading into active judgment, increased curiosity, and our users want to interact with the connect until the completion. To get started with this feature, you also need to define data storage for the puzzle and have a prepared image URL to replace it. So we should click on our block, apply our storage, and let's write our first request. So I want to change our first image. That will be the winnable image. So I will write like leave this tractor as is and create a new target image, and here is our URL of new image. So as you can see, we applied our new image. Yeah, let's complete our puzzle. Yeah, as you can see, it works. And let's change our final message. So I'll write it to our AI assistant. Change final message from great job you picked the right image to this one. So let's go to the preview and change the result. Yeah, it works. All right, now let's go to the fun part. Let's check how our widget actually look after a test sent. I will send the email to my inbox to the Gmail and open it up, and we will see everything working live, the scratcher, the poll, and the quiz right inside the real email. This way you can see exactly what your subscribers will get. So I should go to the test. Right here my email address and send it. Now let's go to my email and let's wait the test message. So yeah, here you can see our test message from the Stripo platform. Go to the bottom, let's check our scratcher. Here let's apply our feedbacks to our poll. Yeah, we have shared our feedback and complete the puzzle. Here you go. It all works exactly the way we designed it. So that brings us to the end of the today webinar. We covered a lot, what widgets are, how they work with M technology, and how you can build them from scratch to finish just by chatting with the AI assistant. We looked at the scratcher, the poll, and the gamification image quiz, and saw how easy it is to add real action to your emails without any coding. I really hope you walk away with some fresh ideas to make your own emails more fun and informative. For my opinion, the best way to learn this is to jump in and try it yourself. So go ahead and play around with the widgets in Stripo. If you have any questions later on, feel free to reach out. I will drop our contact details in the chat one more time. And thanks again, everyone. Happy mailing, and see you next time.